In this session, let us learn about Java abstraction. Abstract classes and methods. Data abstraction is the process of hiding certain details and showing only essential information to the user. Abstraction can be achieved with either abstract classes or inheritance, which you will learn more about in the next chapter. The abstract keyword is a non-access modifier used for classes and methods. Abstract class is a restricted class that cannot be used to create objects. To access it, it must be inherited from another class. Abstract method can only be used in an abstract class and it does not have a body. The body is provided by the subclass inherited from. An abstract class can have both abstract and regular methods. See here, this is the code. From the example above, it is not possible to create an object of the animal class. Animal my object is equal to new animal method will generate an error. To access the abstract class, it must be inherited from another class. Let's convert the animal class we used in the polymorphism chapter to an abstract class. Remember from the inheritance chapter that we use extends keyword to inherit it from a class. See example, while we write this abstract class, see abstract method does not have a body, regular method, subclass inherit from animal, the body of animal sound is provided here. See, create a pig object. Pig my pig is new. See, while we read and execute this code, the result is the pig says VVZ. Why and when? To use abstract class and methods to achieve security, hide certain details and only show the important details of an object. Abstraction can also be achieved with inheritance, which you will learn more about in the next chapter. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 33, Java abstraction. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java interfaces. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.